Hey everyone, and welcome to Simplebooklet Reports. Let's take a quick look at how our report section helps you understand your audience and maximize your content's impact. Our report section gives you a detailed breakdown of how your Simplebooklet is performing. Each report, whether it's pages and clicks or forms, provides valuable insights to your Simplebooklet. At the top of each page, you can customize the date range so that you can focus on specific time periods. This lets you track trends and measure the success of your booklets over time. Each section also includes clear visuals and easy to read data, so you can see exactly how your audience is interacting with your content. That's all for this. Thanks for watching.